Friends, hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, today in this video we will tell you how to excite any girl or woman for sex without kissing her, and we will tell you in detail about what signals girls give. Friends, many times it also happens that a girl or woman likes you and she wants to do sex with you, but the biggest problem with her is that she is not able to say it directly. Friends, so that she can understand every body language of women, friends, girls give you signals in different ways, and through that they also try to express their expressions. Friends, if you want to identify them very quickly, then let's know how to know from the body language of the girl, she wants to sleep with you or wants to do sex with you. Whoever she is, definitely the way she touches you. One of the signals that the woman wants to sleep with you, she gives signals then. If a woman touches your intimate parts of the body by mistake or intentionally, then you should also look into her eyes. Friends, if a woman has something going on in her mind about you, then she will touch your thighs and then say "oh sorry" and then smile looking at you. This signal is enough that she will look at you or imagine how it would feel when she kisses you. She will want to suck and kiss your lips, and sometimes she will signal with her own lips. Friends, if you recognize these signs, then it is a signal that she talks to you. She talks about her ex in some way or the other, whether she connects it with others or tells a fantasy, then it is a way of seducing and telling that she is ready to sleep with you. Only her ex is going on in her mind. You can see in life, like if you have gone to someone's house as a guest and a woman likes you there, then when she sits in front of you, she will drop her dupatta or anchal, or she will wear tight and sexy clothes to seduce you. If she has an ex or she wants to sleep with you, then she will call you to her house on some pretext or the other. If you refuse, she will call you by making an excuse of some important work. Friends, after calling you home, she should have a normal conversation with you. When a woman talks to you in such a way that you get in the mood, she talks to you in a very sensual tone while lying on the bed, and you see something hidden in her soft voice, then it is clearly a sign of this. That woman has used this as her weapon to give you affection. Whenever a woman meets you, she hugs you every time. If you are thinking of this as a way of meeting and welcoming you, then yes, you are mistaken, friends. In fact, she hugs you and presses her body against you. If this happens with you too, then it is obvious that this is a hint. If you do not pay much attention to what this woman says, then you will get upset soon.